Hey guys, um, number 10. This is the number 10. Last time, I was gonna tell you a story, then I decided against it, because it would spoil. Oh no. No, you stupid scaredy shroom. Freeze. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, you're not doing anything. That dump, okay. Oh my, die! Finally. Shroom there, get rid of him. Put scaredy shroom back. Okay, there we go. Defense is back up and running, guys. Don't worry. I got this. I'm a trained professional with handling plants. And that my degree is not printed offline for a measly $2. No, it's legit. It's completely and totally real. So, don't worry at all. Improvising. Improvising. You know, I really thought the fume shrooms would be able to take more bites, but apparently they can't. Alright, go forth and win. Well, you can't actually move your plants. But, you know what, come at thy, and I will show thy power. I mean, my power. You know, thy and my, kinda get 'em rhymed. But either way, I'll show you my power. If you just come here, and I'll kill you. By the way, just wanted to let you know, I'd kill you brutally and murder you in ranks. I'll slaughter you with mushrooms. That's weird. It's not weird if it's a profession. So much fun. I am not having any trouble on these levels at all. They're too easy. They are way too easy for me to have trouble on them. I mean, seriously. And with my strategy of placing 2 rows of sun-giving plants, I'll never have to worry. Never, ever, ever have to worry. Man, my fume shrooms are dominating. I should probably start using all of them so I can get more money. I don't know if I have something open that I'm not going to spoil just in case I don't have it. I'll have to look at it. I have so much knowledge about this game, it's hard for me not to spoil stuff. Because I'll just blurt it out and I'll never know. Because if I do, I can probably get something. But, zombie. Dead. Another zombie. Dead. And, the screen door zombies don't stand a chance. Now they have tons of fume shrooms. Fume shrooms are like my pea shooters here. That's how often I use them. Ah, dang it. Resume game. Clicked out of the window for a second. Yeah. And if some of you might be wondering, how do you click out of the window of Plants vs. Zombies? It's a full screen game. I turn off the full screen so I can record easier. I shrink down the recording bar. It's much easier that way. Because the other way I have to go through a ton of different things and make sure Bandicam is showing and stuff, and yeah. Either way, yeah. Grab that. I'm just gonna grind. Ah, dang it! I was gonna grind more money. No, yeah, no. Dang it! Dang it! Okay. Hello, we would like to visit for a midnight snack. How does ice cream and brains sound? Sincerely, the zombies. Well, I think it sounds delicious. Whose brain's eating? mine. Okay then. That's kind of mean. I'll keep you for later. I don't want to use Doom Shroom. Come on, give me someone who actually fires. Seriously? Another Gravedigger? Come on! Fume Shroom. That's what I'm talking about. You know, I'm just gonna have to use one on him, because he's too far for me to kill him now. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is what I'm, this is it. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing stuff. Dun 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 dun. I'm not singing the theme to the game, I'm just singing. That's not what it actually is at all. Oh, mushrooms. Be useful. Fire. I'm gathering so many plants that I don't need yet. But I could use you here. Yep, Doom Shroom. Completely overpowered. Freeze you now. Use Doom Shroom. Boom, boom. That worked like a charm. Okay, give me more. Fume Shroom can work with. There, see those holes? Yeah, those are craters. They will not go away. Hey, you're in the way of my defense, you stupid Fume Shroom. They don't go away until a long time. After a long time, they go away. Come on. Puff Shroom. One Puff Shroom isn't enough. But this amount is. Okay. I got that. Freeze you. And I'll save you for a little bit later. Man. Stop running, football zombie. Seriously. Stop it. Stop it. Now you stopped it. Because I blew you up. Evil. Gravebuster. Freeze them all. Freeze them all. Should probably use that at a better time. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, dang it. You know what? I'll dig it and freeze it. So they'll probably be done digging before they unfreeze. Even when they unfreeze, they'll still be slowed and get money. All the gravestones are gone. This is working out well. Scary shroom in the back over there. Bubble shroom. Excelmando. Freeze all of you. Should I use a Doom Shroom? Nah, I'm good right now. Well, this wave isn't finished, and I'm almost out of time to record. Wow, that's it's kind of lame. All of you guys might be saying it's kind of lame, but don't worry. Come on, finish the freaking wave. At least come close to it. At least. Freeze them all. Fume shroom there. Puff shroom. You know what? I'm saving him for my all-out assault later. Okay, well, guys, my time's almost up, so I'm just gonna have to say